In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Spotify Wrapped is not showing. So this is for the 2023 version of Spotify Wrapped. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually see if Spotify Wrap is showing on your device. So if you actually open up the Spotify app on your device and the Wrap section, if it's not showing in the dashboard, if you actually look at the top on this toolbar, and what you're going to want to do is scroll right to the end, and you're going to see the Wrapped is now at the end of the toolbar. So you just want to press onto this, and this will take you across to your Spotify Wrapped. So if you've tried that and that's not working for you, then there's a couple of things you can try in order to fix this. First, what you're going to want to do is come into the Play Store if you're on an Android device. If you're on an iPhone, of course, it's going to be the iTunes Store. And what you want to do is go ahead and look for the Spotify app in the store. So the very first thing you want to do is make sure that your app is up to date. There will be an update available, so you want to make sure this is updated. Once that's done, open up Spotify, and you should now see the Wrap section on your Spotify app. So another thing you can actually try, which Spotify have added for this year, is opening up a internet browser, and what you want to do is come up to the address bar and type spotify.com/wrapped. Just like this, and then press enter, and what it's going to do is take you directly to the Wrapped version for Spotify, so you can access it this way as well. All you need to do is log in with your account on here, and once you've gone ahead and logged in, as you can see, this will now add your Wrapped section. So that is how to go ahead and fix if Spotify Wrapped is not showing for you. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.